Don't miss this video, because you're going to see how my skin whitens so quickly. If you have an invitation party and an important romantic date, this quick whitening recipe is very effective and works 100%. You can whiten your skin at no cost with ingredients available in the kitchen like snow. It works wonders. My God. Completely removes dark spots on the body, especially around the neck and groin and the private area and under the armpits, which are very noticeable. Yes, you heard me right. We are going to make a recipe for snow white skin in 5 minutes with me. Hello everyone! Today, I am sharing a simple and natural potato face mask that will brighten your skin in just 5 minutes. Potatoes are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants that help reduce dark spots and give your skin a natural glow. To make this mask, you will need 1 medium potato, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. First, peel the potato and squeeze out the juice with whatever means you have. Either put it in a blender or grate it. Then add the honey and lemon juice and mix well. Apply the mixture evenly on your face, avoiding contact with your eyes. Leave it on for 5 minutes, then wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask works wonders for naturally brightening your skin and reducing dark spots. Plus, it is completely free of harmful chemicals. Try it and let me know your results in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and natural skincare tips. Thank you for your attention. Don't throw away the potato peels and put them in a glass of water and boil them for 25 minutes on low heat. Then pour the potato peel extract into a spray bottle. Your toner is ready. How to use: spray on the skin and wipe with a sanitary pad. It cleans all the dirt in the pores and is the best option for makeup base. Let me tell you a brief list of the benefits of potato juice. You will love using a skin routine containing potatoes. Benefits of potato juice for skin: skin lightening. Potato juice contains an enzyme called catecholase, which can help reduce melanin production in the skin, thus making it brighter. Removes blemishes and dark circles under the eyes. Potato juice can help remove blemishes, dark circles under the eyes, and sunburn due to its antioxidants and nutrients. Reduces inflammation. Potato juice can reduce skin inflammation and help heal wounds. Moisturizes the skin. Potato juice can help keep the skin moisturized and prevent it from drying out. Reduces wrinkles. Potato juice can help reduce wrinkles and brown spots. Potato juice treats acne and acne scars. As always, I recommend that before using potato juice on your skin, be sure to do a sensitivity test. If you have any skin problems, consult your doctor before using potato juice. Do you think I throw away the potato pulp? I'll give you a tip. You'll find out in the short video section. Congratulations, together we fixed the emergency potato whitening mask. The first time you use it, you will be surprised by the whitening of your skin within 5 minutes. I always use this mask before a date or a party. Because of its effects in a very short period of time, I fell in love with this mask and recommend it to everyone. Many people want to have white and glowing skin. You too, for people you know who want to have white skin, send it and spread it. If you enjoyed this mask recipe, hit the like button, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for you.